scientists. Today we will be doing an experiment where you will make your own worms. We will need our glitter paint, a spoon, a pipette, 3.5 grams of calcium chloride, 7 grams of sodium alginate, 1 cup of water in a small container, 1.5 cups of water in a large container, and the water in the large container should be warm. The first step is to mix glitter paint and sodium alginate it with warm water. Step is to mix calcium chloride with the regular water. Next step is to use the pipette to transfer the calcium chloride mixture to the sodium alginate mixture. Now swirl it around to see the blobs that you made.